The Trump administration's controversial migrant protection protocols will resume next week.
Also known as the Remain in Mexico policy, it has been criticized by human rights groups who say the policy creates abusive conditions for migrants coming to the U.S. News 8's Richard Allen explains why the Biden administration is resuming the program and what changes are ahead.
Well, that's right. While President Biden has vowed to end Remain in Mexico, a federal court order has now forced the administration to reinstate this program that's come under intense attack by human rights groups.
It will, without a doubt, return people, deliver people to danger. It will trample on their due process rights. It will facilitate family separation.
This policy, originally put into practice by the Trump administration to deter immigration, forces migrants seeking asylum in the U.S. to stay in Mexico as they await their immigration court proceedings. Biden had initially announced the end of the directive last February before the courts intervened.
I'm not making new law. I'm eliminating bad policy.
However, a Texas judge ruled in August that the Biden administration had violated federal law in how it had suspended the program and required it be restored. In total, roughly 70,000 immigrants have been forced to return to Mexico under the policy since 2019. Human rights advocates say the conditions these migrants lived in, some for as many as 2 years, were exceedingly dangerous and in some cases even deadly.
It is going to increase the number of people who are subjected to death, torture, rape, kidnappings.
Before Mexico reluctantly agreed Thursday to re-implement this program with the U.S., the Department of Homeland Security first had to make humanitarian changes, including providing COVID-19 vaccinations for migrants, providing access to legal counsel before court proceedings, and providing security to migrants as they travel to and from court. The ACLU and other critics, though, say that it's not possible to repair a program that is inherently inhumane.
You can't tinker around the edges of a policy that subjects people to torture, rape, death, assault, and kidnappings and brand it a gentler version of a deadly policy.
And this policy is set to be reinstated beginning Monday. The Biden administration has appealed the court's ruling, though it's not clear when a decision will be made.